What's going on, everyone? Thank you for joining me back on the channel. It has been a really long time since I made a video. I had a lot going on. I kind of made some life decisions, more so career decisions, that I thought would benefit myself, my family, give me more freedom and time to do things, and it was pretty much the exact opposite. I had to sacrifice a lot of things. Messing with cars and making YouTube videos, unfortunately, was one of those. So I've since made some other changes to kind of go back to what I was doing before with my career. So it's kind of opened up some more opportunities for me to get back to making videos, spend more time with my family, mess with cars. So it's just an overall better decision. So I do apologize for my absence on the channel. So I plan to start making videos more regularly, more consistently. Don't really have a schedule in mind, but definitely going to happen more often. I've had a lot of you asking when I'm going to be making more videos, so hopefully today is the official day that I'm going to start to revive the channel, bring it back, and make some cool videos that I hope you guys will enjoy. So from the title of the video today, what I'm going to be doing is reinstalling my driver's side seat in the G, the red seat that I have. I had that removed, or I removed it more than a couple months ago. A long while ago, to have it reupholstered in certain areas. It had some damage on the bottom section and the left bolster, so I had that taken out and kind of reupholstered just to make sure that it didn't get any worse, and it was just kind of starting to look bad. But it's been a while. I've been riding around with my black seat, having my mismatched interior, so I'm tired of having it like that. I want to get this seat back in. It's been sitting in my garage since it's been done. And so we're going to do that today. Unfortunately, the G has been neglected. It is my daily, so just a car being your daily to begin with is going to get dirty and messed up, but this car has really been neglected. And I do apologize to myself for that and to you guys. I know you like the G a lot, so we'll be getting back to that, making some videos, cleaning it up, getting it back to what it used to be. But I'm going to go ahead and get ready to put this seat back in. So I'm going to include some clips of the old seat, or how the seat used to be with the damage, and take a look, and then we'll get this thing going. Now, if we look closer, you will see the imperfections, the damage on the bottom side here. This was here and this was here already, but this has gotten a bit bigger, has spread over time. I mean, I use this car every single day, so it's no wonder that it's spread or gotten worse. And then I have damage on the bolster here. This was there and pretty much hasn't gotten too much worse, maybe a little bit. And then just actually, you have the wear and tear. So here's the seat. As you can tell, it's kind of dirty. I got to clean that up. It's been sitting in the garage since I had it done a few months ago. But both of these bottom sections, this perforated sections, were replaced, as well as this left bolster. I'm really happy with the way these came out, and it matches pretty much identically. With the solid leather, they didn't get, it's an okay match, but it's not perfect. But it's definitely not ripped, not torn. Everything is back complete. And the other thing I wasn't too crazy about is it seems like the leather is a little bit loose over here compared to this side. But in any event, it wasn't too bad. It's complete again. There's no holes or anything like that. So I'm going to go ahead, clean this seat up, get it conditioned a little bit before I put it in the car. And we'll see how long this lasts, or hopefully it lasts for a while. Alright, so the seat is all cleaned and conditioned. Gonna let that dry a little bit, pull the black seat out of the driver's side, and get this thing installed. Alright, so that was a little challenging. That wasn't the best way to get it out of there. I think that's the first time I've actually gotten it out that way. You gotta be careful. I kind of bumped into the upper pillar here and the steering wheel. It's okay, nothing got ripped or damaged, but definitely not the best way. So we're gonna clean this floor up a little bit, vacuum it, get that new red seat in. Alright, so seat is installed, everything's bolted back, little plastic covers are back on, so I'm just going to go ahead, clean up the rest of the interior, get the back seat portion reinstalled, and then this project will be done. So finally have a matching interior again with a seat that is fixed up. So thanks everyone for checking out this video. Just wanted to get on here and make this quick video of throwing the seat back in, just to kind of, wake up the channel, see what you guys think, and then we're gonna get ready to make some more videos and get some stuff done. Like I said, the G needs a lot of love, needs brakes, it needs a good detail. One of my taillights got chipped up from a foul ball at baseball. So there's numerous things that I need to take care of with it, so I'll be sure to make videos for that and show you guys what I'm doing, and hopefully it'll help you out if you got to do some of those things to your car. So I hope you're looking forward to some new videos. I actually do also have 2 new vehicles that you haven't seen on the channel. If you follow my Instagram, you may know what they are, but they will be introduced in another vehicle. One is a, for the family, back and forth to, baseball, stuff like that, but it's also something that we can have some fun with. And the other one that I recently picked up is going to be a little restoration project, something I've always wanted, and really excited to have it. So I'm going to fix that up, get that looking nice, and like I said, I'll show you guys those 2 vehicles in a different video. And I'll make some videos of that stuff as well. So thanks again for watching. I do really appreciate it. And for those of you that have stuck around with me during this hiatus that I took, I really do appreciate it, and I'll be getting back to it and hopefully making some good content. So let me know what you think. Maybe stuff that you want to see specifically on the channel, different styles of videos, types of videos, anything in particular that you want to see done to any of my vehicles, so my Z, G, and the other couple that I'll introduce you to shortly. But yeah, drop a comment down below, let me know what you want to see. And thanks again for watching. I hope everyone enjoys the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.